What's up, guys? I just want to show you something real quick.
Right there you can see me welding, like I know welding, but I don't. There you can see my ugly ass weld. There is why I welded that thing on there, because I want to install that piece there. Yeah, I'm funny. There you can see me installing expensive ass fork tubes into a cheap ass bike. Right here you can see me installing even a more expensive piece. Yeah, I'm funny again. Yeah, it's shiny, looks like really factory resin there. What's going on with my face?
The most important stuff
Tell me more.
for Super Slick 400 Ninja.
Now some of you are saying, what the fuck is a Super Slick 400? That's exactly that beauty, right there. So yeah, there you can see the nearly finished build. I swapped a conventional fork against upside down fork because I want to take the advantage of 2 brake discs against 1. So that's how it turns out. I think it looks fucking amazing. Cinematic footage is on point right here. And yeah, when you have questions about the build, just write it. Oh, finger. When you have questions, just write it down in the comment sections. Next plans are going to the racetrack with her and test her to see how everything runs fine, how the suspension is working. Yeah, so that's it.